Merdeka 118. Merdeka 118, also known as Merdeka PNB 118, where is a Merdeka Tower. 118 Tower in KL 118 is a 118-story, 678.9 meter tall megatall skyscraper in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. It is the world's second tallest structure, surpassing the Shanghai Tower at 632 meters, 2,073 feet, and only behind Burj Khalifa at 828 meters, 2,717 feet. The building's name, Merdeka, which means independence, is inspired by its proximity to two stadiums, Stadium Merdeka and Stadium Negara. The spire of the building was completed in November 2021. The building was finished in mid-2022, and is the tallest in Malaysia and Southeast Asia. It surpassed the 632 meters, 2,073 feet, Shanghai Tower as the world's second tallest building and structure by 47 meters, 154 feet, surpassed the 451.9 meters, 1,483 feet, Petronas Twin Towers as the tallest building in Malaysia by 227 meters, 745 feet, and surpassed the 461 meters, 1,512 feet, Landmark 81 is the tallest building in ASEAN by 218 meters, 715 feet, taking these titles by virtue of its 160 meters, 520 feet, spire. 10. The building will also be the first in Malaysia to receive a triple platinum rating from worldwide sustainability certifications, including the Leadership in Energy and Environmental Design, LED. The Merdeka 118, the whole precinct's development is a 19-acre land funded by Permodalan Nasional Berhad, 1 MDB, with a budget of Rm5 billion, $1.21 billion. When completed in 2022, the tower will be the tallest building in Malaysia. It is planned to be constructed in 3 phases and will consist of 400,000 square meters, 4,300,000 square feet, of residential, hotel and commercial space. The building will consist of 100 stories of rentable space, including 83 stories of office space, 12 stories of hotel rooms, 5 stories of hotel residences, and an observatory floor which will be the highest observation deck in Southeast Asia. It has 2 observation decks, the first inside the building and the second inside the spire, and a retail business center, 118 Mall. It will be surrounded by 4 acres of urban and linear park. The non-rentable space consists of elevators, recreational and maintenance facilities, as well as parking spaces for up to 8,500 cars. 60 out of the 80 stories of office space will be reserved for Permodalan Nasional Berhad, PNB, the developer of the project, and its subsidiaries. The building is designed with a mixture of diamond-shaped glass facades to signify the diversity of Malaysians. The design was made to resemble and inspired by Tunku Abdul Rahman's outstretched hand gesture while chanting Merdeka, when he proclaimed the independence of Malaysia on August 31, 1957. The building's cladding will comprise 18,144 panels, 114,000 square meter of glass and 1,600 tons of window frame extrusions. It will contain the 118 mall, Grade A offices, hotels, and residential areas. The structural engineers are Leslie E. Robertson Associates and Robert Bird Group, while the civil and structural engineer of record for this tower is Arup. The building will be equipped and illuminated at night with 8.4 kilometers of LED light strips which would gradually move from one corner to another. The Neopoli Group, an environmental design and engineering firm, was employed to provide consultancy services towards achieving platinum rating with 3 green building certification bodies: Leadership in Energy and Environmental Design, LED, Green Building Index and Green RE. The piling and foundation work for the project was awarded to Pine Terrace Geotechnics SDN BHD. The Permodalan Nasional Berhad shortlisted 6 groups for various construction jobs: Samsung C&T and Yuan Group BHD, IJM Corp BHD, Norwest Holdings SDN BHD, and Shimizu Corp, Malaysian Resources Corp BHD and State Construction Engineering Corp, WCT BHD and Arabtech Construction LLC, TSR Capital BHD and Daewoo Group, Seekera Group BHD with SPAS SDN BHD, Sinohydro Corp, and Shanghai Construction Group. These companies submitted their bids by January 28, 2015. Kone, a Finnish group, is supplying around 87 elevators and escalators for the project.